Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating question. Can Windows 98 still be useful in 2026? With the current state of the tech industry, it's no surprise people are feeling nostalgic for simpler times. But is going back to Windows 98 a viable solution? Let's find out. Imagine this. You've got a vintage Dell Dimension 2100, a real gem from the early 2000s. It's packing a decent 1.1 GHz Intel Celeron, 256 MB RAM, and a spacious 38 GB hard drive. This setup might just be the perfect candidate to take you back to the glory days of Windows 98 SE. Now, you might be thinking, what about software? Well, you're in luck. You can install period-perfect software like Adobe Photoshop 5 and MS Office 97, complete with the iconic Clippy. But here's the kicker. Even some modern software runs on this old-school OS. Thanks to the Retro Systems Revival blog, we know that Audacity 2.0, for instance, works just fine. So, basic productivity? Check. Gaming is where things get really interesting. While you're limited to games from the early 2000s or earlier, the library is massive. If you're cool with retro gaming, you're in for a treat. But what about the modern web? This is where it gets tricky. You need a modern browser and up-to-date encryption support, which is a challenge on Windows 98. Thankfully, tools like FrogFind come to the rescue, allowing you to browse the web with ease. Now, get this. People have made Discord work on Windows 95 and even ported .NET applications to Windows 9X. Windows 98 has been made to run on modern laptops, and you can watch modern YouTube on Netscape 2.x with the right plugin. It's like the tech world is turning back time. Personally, I find it fascinating how we're finding ways to make old tech relevant again. It's a testament to the ingenuity of the community. But here's the big question. Is it worth it? While there's a certain charm to older software being less complex and resource efficient, the reality is that we've moved on. The AI crisis might make us nostalgic, but it also highlights the need for more advanced solutions. So, while Windows 98 might be a fun experiment, it's probably not the answer to our tech woes. What do you think? Are we romanticizing the past, or is there value in revisiting these old systems? Let me know in the comments below.